Hello, San Gabriel. This is your Mayor, Denise Menchaca. Before we get started with this week's video, I want to take a moment to talk about the fire that occurred at the Mission San Gabriel earlier this week. The Mission San Gabriel is considered the birthplace of Los Angeles County, and it holds historic value to our community and our region. We are all deeply heartbroken by the fire that took place. If you'd like to support the Mission San Gabriel during this challenging time, I encourage you to visit their website for more information on their recovery efforts. Now here is this week's video update on how COVID-19 is impacting our community. Health update. As of July 16th, Los Angeles County has 147,468 reported cases of COVID-19, with 330 confirmed cases in San Gabriel. This includes 57 cases at the Royal Vista Care Center and 16 at Ivy Creek Healthcare Wellness Center. I'm sad to report that we now have a total of 25 confirmed deaths in our community as a result of COVID-19. If you've been affected by COVID-19, we offer our deepest condolences. Health order. Governor Gavin Newsom recently issued a new health directive as a result of the recent uptick in infections of COVID-19 in the state. The following activities and locations must close to prevent additional spread of COVID-19. These include dining restaurants, wineries and tasting rooms, movie theaters, family entertainment centers, zoos and museums, and card rooms. In addition, the following locations in Los Angeles County must close unless they can be modified to operate outside or via pickup. These include fitness centers, worship services, offices for non-essential sectors, personal care services, hair salons and barbershops, and malls. For more information about the health order and how it impacts you, please visit publichealth.lacounty.gov. City services. Given the recent health order from the governor, we are postponing the enforcement of our overnight parking restrictions indefinitely, effective July 14th. This means that the last announced date of July 26th for the enforcement is no longer in effect. Our current grace period for overnight parking will continue until further notice. Please note that our other parking restrictions, including time parking, are still in effect and will be enforced. For more information about the city's parking policy and the status of enforcement, please visit sangabrielcity.com/2020parking. Community kindness. This week, I wanted to acknowledge the Mission San Gabriel's food pantry. Since 2015, the San Gabriel Mission has been distributing food and resources for their weekend food pantry. Since the start of COVID-19 pandemic, hundreds of hours have been spent distributing over 4,000 pounds of products to our community. Despite the fire earlier this week, the mission still distributed food this past Sunday to those in need. Bravo, Pantry Heroes. As always, please submit your stories of community kindness to communications@sgch.org, and be sure to read about our current stories at sangabrielcity.com/communitykindness. This concludes this week's video update. We know these are difficult times and that our daily lives have been adversely impacted by COVID-19. That's why it's important more than ever that we continue to practice physical distancing and to avoid gatherings with groups of individuals outside of our immediate household, unless it's an essential task or service. When out in public, please wear a face covering and avoid touching your face with unwashed hands. Stay healthy, stay safe, San Gabriel.